So I have the Olympia Splendid 33 typewriter with me. So I bought this for $50 on Craigslist. I noticed initially there was quite a lot of body rust on the side of the typewriter, and also some of the keys were a bit sticky as well. But as soon as I dusted it off, blow dried it, and cleaned the hinges of these keys here, I got most of the keys to be unstuck. But if you notice, there's a lot of yellowing of the paint. So I was thinking I might as well just repaint it. It just doesn't. It just looks kind of gross, to be honest, the yellowing of the paint. So right now I'm just going to disassemble the typewriter here and try to clean up as much as I can inside and get that started. Okay, so we're going to remove the side panels here. So I'm just gonna flip the typewriter over. I'll just lay a little cloth on top so it doesn't get scratched up. Okay, so just flip it over like this. And I don't know if you can see already, but it is missing one bottom screw. So I'm thinking that someone must have opened this up before. Oh my god, there's so much dust here. Crazy. So the bottom part comes off pretty easily. I'll just move this aside. Over here. Right. No, put it over. And this piece comes in. Okay, look at that. Open our two. Yeah, it's just one screw here holding the side panel in place, so I'll just remove that. Comes off like that. It should just slide off easily. Yeah, just like that. Let's put that aside there. And one more last side panel here. Yeah, one more here. We'll just remove this. Okay. And this should just come off like that. Nice and easy. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So I know the back panels here. I might just leave it on for now. I'm not really confident in my abilities to fully disassemble this, but yeah, I don't know. Okay, well, dust it off. Okay, so I started spray painting the outer panels with off-white spray paint. So normally you should. So the thing with spray painting is that you should use light coats. So what I did, I instead of using light coats, I doused it with like a lot of paint. So which caused a lot of uneven paint, paint running off. So in one of the panels, I ended up just like removing the paint entirely and then starting from scratch again. So I'm not, I'm not an expert when it comes to painting, but from learning from this, it's important just to take your time and start with very light coats and then work your way layer by layer. Because if you end up just dousing the whole panel with paint, it's not going to look nice. So for the outer case, I was kind of on the fence whether or not I should paint it or not. I was debating whether just to keep its original color, but when I looked at it again, it's even after sanding it down, it looked quite dirty still. So I guess I ended up just spray painting the same color as the typewriter, and in the end, I think it turned out quite well. in conclusion, this project took a lot longer than I expected. Probably about 2 or 3 days worth of waiting and repainting. 'Cause every time I repainted it was either some chip in the paint or uneven paint, so I had to resand it again. So yeah, I did. This project took quite longer than I expected. Um, so learning from this, it's very important just to take your time with the painting. Try to do it right the first time instead of just rushing it. Because I thought I was able to finish this within a day, but obviously, um, when you're painting, it's best to wait 24 hours for the paint to completely dry instead of trying to working on it right away while it's still wet. So you'll end up just causing more problems for yourself. Overall, though, I think the typewriter itself looks looks actually brand new, I think, in my opinion. Um, the off-white, I think, kind of matches the keys as well. The color of the keys, it's like a cream beige color, whatever you call it. Um, Aesthetic-wise, it looks a lot better compared to when I got it. Yeah. So like after cleaning the typewriter, the keys are a lot less sticky. They're more responsive, and it feels quite quick to type on. So you'll notice when I start typing that the text appears quite faded, isn't as bold as it should. That's usually due to a hard platen, which is basically the uh, rubber roll that the paper slides through. So replacing that is quite easy. There's tutorials online showing you can use rubber heat tubes to put on the platen roll, which will help bring out the color of the ink when you're typing. Because ideally you want a soft platen which the keys can bounce off of. It'll provide a much richer, bolder looking text compared to a faded looking text, as you can see in the video.